Hey Joe, I'm going to show you how to add anchors here so that we can adjust those links. So for Catholic lunch break, I guess one thing I need to do is go find, well, I guess I can click to it in a new tab. Under listen again, Catholic lunch break. Okay, so how would I find that, or how would I put an anchor here for that to link to? My article manager, let's look for lunch break or Catholic lunch break. So here in the article, forgive me, I'm in HTML only mode. Before the button, but after the subline, I'm going to add it's called an anchor. And I have a short code. It's a hyperlink, but instead of href, the hyperlink is actually, instead of href, we're having the word name equals quotation marks, and then we close that off with a closing A bracket. So this one we're going to call I usually just make it what it is, no spaces, etc. So Catholic lunch break, whether that is doing, as I said, is put an anchor in the page for us to link to. I'm going to just copy that so I don't have to retype it, and if I did misspell it, then I'll carry that over. So that's one thing. So then in the modules, okay, so I guess when I come back to that, that's not cool. Catholic lunch break, this is Houston, so let's, in the modules, I just have to remember what I'm looking for. Let's try Houston, my local station, tune in local program Houston, code mirror. So I'm already in code mirror since I'm in HTML only mode. The local program, this is my hyperlink right here. So it's actually anything that's inside of the quotations is the URL I'm going to. So then I'm going to put the # and then paste Catholic lunch break right there. Let me save and close that. On this page, I think most people will click without opening a new tab, so you shouldn't have an issue with the not showing up after clicking a link. So what that is just a link that's been clicked on is just the same color as the button. So now when I open it again in a new tab, it takes me right down the page to that. So yes, that's a possible. Let me do it again just so you can see it happen. We'll do this with Monday edition. So first I got to find the article. It says you were in there a week ago, so I'm going to click the padlock icon to kick you out of it. Check it back in like a library book. So before the button, well, actually this is all a button on the Listen Now page. Wrong one. Listen Again page. So there's no paragraph above or below that. So let's just put it, in my article, I'm going to put it above. A name, I'll send that to you. I'll put that in the video notes, what that is, a name, and then GRN Alive Monday. Save and close that. And this is local program Kansas. Let's try local program. Let's try that instead. Aha, here it is. GRN Kansas, South Central Texas, and West Texas, and New Mexico. So this one's going to be the same for all of those. Again, here we're going to add the pound sign and GRN Alive Monday. And as you would change that respectively. So I hope that makes sense. I'll let you give a whack at the other couple if you want to. If you're going to come back at me and say, no, Jackie, go ahead and handle that, that's fine too. Let me refresh and give it a try. There it is. Takes me right to that spot. Okay, so that was a success. The other thing I noticed is on a couple of your home pages, you've got 2 people. That's fantastic. I'm more than okay with that. The only thing is it's not mobile responsive, meaning I don't see the second person when I scroll down on a mobile device. How do we overcome that? We're going to use what's called an equal table. And I think, oh, there's another one. Let's go to this hidden styles page. You got your hex codes of your colors there. Equal table right here. So that we just want the class equal table added to the table. Articles, who are we looking at first? Let's go my local. I'm going to type in my local station here. Turn our way on. We're in Houston. Okay. Articles, my local station. Looking for Houston. Okay, here it is. So there's a fixed width in this table right here in this cell. So that width is what's causing that to not be mobile responsive. So if there's ever a temptation to click and drag the edge of a table, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, so table class equals equal table. And then respectively, we do have to go back and take the cell size out of the HTML. Anywhere you see width and then a pixel number. This one is applying to the image. So you've set the picture to be 200 by 220. I won't touch that. Let me save and close. It was Houston. Let me refresh. There it is. And now on mobile, what do we get? Tim and then David. So that's how you would make that mobile responsive. Those are the 2 items I have for you right now, Joe. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm sure we'll talk to you soon. Take care, and God bless.